Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be cutting subtle layers, using a forward graduation technique. This haircut is perfect for clients who wish to maintain their length, whilst adding minimal movement to the ends, whilst placing framing over the shoulders. We start the haircut with a center part, taking diagonal back sections. Our hairline section is approximately 1 inch thick. This helps to avoid any gaps or holes from forming, as the hairline recedes at the recession. We take clean diagonal back sections on both sides, taking parallel sections throughout this haircut. We allow our sections to fall in natural fall, taking a finger's depth in elevation, utilizing our fingers to hold the hair in place whilst we use our scissors to cut the section, with desired cutting angle. Our cutting angle can be cut softly like in this tutorial, or you could choose a steeper line, increasing short to long. This is now our guide. I have chosen to cut to a moving guide, directing every new section back to the previous guide. True forward graduation would have a stationary guide, where every subsequent section would be directed back to the first guide. We direct every section into natural fall, and over-direct the ends to be cut at the cutting line. We repeat this process until we reach the center back section. We also repeat this process on the opposite side. If we over-directed to the stationary guide, we would achieve true forward graduation. Because I have chosen to utilize a moving guide, the movement will flow more evenly from the front into the back of the haircut. Forward graduation would achieve a high emphasis of movement in the front of the haircut only. This haircut is a fantastic option for medium length hair, long hair, and especially for super long hair. We now repeat this process on the opposite side. I take a small section from the previous side to use as my guide. I now continue the same process until I complete the haircut. This haircut can be cut shorter if you would like to create face framing. I utilize this haircut for clients who are super nervous about cutting any length off, clients who don't want layers, however they want a little movement in the ends. This haircut is a great introductory for clients who have had a solid haircut and wants to gradually work towards having a layered haircut. We continue this process until we reach the center back section. This haircut is great for clients who want to grow their hair long, with the strength of minimal layering, whilst enjoying the shape that's created with this cutting process. Most of my clients surf. Growing hair long and healthy is a struggle with surfers, as they live in the ocean, with their hair exposed to the sun and salt water. I have found in my experience, cutting long hair with minimal layering, or no layers, helps to maintain long, beautiful, healthy hair, as the ends are less exposed to breakage. I love how this process creates framing over the shoulder area, maintaining maximum length in the back, whilst creating shape in the front. We now blow dry the hair, preparing the hair for personalizing and refining. This is my super long haircut, with minimal graduation, creating beautiful subtle movement in the ends. I now take the same sections as the haircut, whilst refining with a point cutting technique, to soften the shape and remove any excess bulk. Super long hair, with beautiful soft graduation. This haircut is incredible for medium length and long haircuts. And definitely a winner for those nervous clients who are afraid of cutting their hair. It's our job to educate our long haircut clients that it's extremely important to invest in regular haircuts to help maintain beautiful healthy hair, which in return will help them to maintain or grow long beautiful hair. This haircut looks amazing with soft loose waves. I'm using my GHD curve wand to create this fun, beautiful, effortless look. This haircut is suitable for all hair types, especially for clients who prefer a solid, one-length haircut feel, with the fun of movement in the ends. Perfect for clients with curly hair that prefer no or low layering to control their curls. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this tutorial or if you learned something new. Massive thank you for watching and hopefully subscribing.